Want to learn how to get more free traffic to your website? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have my top best tips for increasing your organic website traffic using Pinterest. For the best business and Pinterest advice, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a video next. I'm Isabelle, ex-corporate marketer for Fortune 500 companies for over 14 years, now turned entrepreneur and educator, and helping business owners just like you grow businesses that you're proud of. Now, the first step, if you want to have any kind of free website traffic, is to have a strong keyword strategy, especially on Pinterest. Now, a lot of people think of Pinterest as a social media, but it really is a search engine. Think of it as a visual Google. Now, Pinterest has over 2 billion searches done every single month. That's about 45,000 searches every single minute. And this number is actually a little bit outdated. I haven't found any new numbers for that. But recently, Pinterest, in the last few months, especially as more and more people are moving online with everything that's happening in the world right now, Pinterest has reported an increase in searches of 60%. So Pinterest is absolutely a search engine, and you want to have really strong, like a keyword rich content, as well as keyword rich graphics and a keyword rich pin description, and everywhere basically when you can put keywords that sounds natural, you can absolutely drive free traffic using Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is often underestimated. A lot of people are focusing on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, while people over there are flourishing on Pinterest, right? So Pinterest is actually the third biggest search engine, just behind Google and YouTube. And there are 325 million active users every month on the platform. It's one of the fastest growing platform in the world as well. Now, if your target market is female, they are between the age of 25 to 55, Pinterest reaches 83% of those women, especially in the US. So if your target market is females, Pinterest is an absolute beautiful thing to drive free traffic from. Now, to learn how to increase your visibility using Pinterest and getting more engaged followers, stay until the end as I have a free blueprint for you. Now, the second tip for getting free traffic to your website is to have a very strong visual strategy, especially on Pinterest. That is so important because it is a visual platform. Now, most humans tend to be visual as well in nature, and so it only makes sense that your graphics are, that you spend a lot of time creating graphics are optimized for clicks that really grab the attention. Now, because I kind of hear you say through the screen, hey, Isabelle, creating a lot of graphics is a lot of work. It takes a lot of time, especially if you're DIYing and you don't have a graphic designer yet working for you. What the next best thing I found is to leverage templates. That's the only way that I found to create several pins very quickly. So I can create 5 pins in 5 minutes. And the only way I've done that is through templates. Now, I do optimize my templates for clicks. So making sure that not only are they beautiful, but they're actually making people click through to my site, right? And so I do offer templates as part of my Pin to Profit Bootcamp. And you can find the click below this video if you're interested in finding more about my templates. Now, tip number 3 for getting free website traffic using Pinterest is to have a strong profile strategy. You want your profile on Pinterest to be attracting the right kind of customers, your ideal customers, so that people can easily find you when they need your services or products. Now, your profile needs to be optimized for keywords. You want to make sure that it's keyword rich. You also want to make sure that your website is verified and that you're enabling rich pins, among other things. So I've put links below this video to blog posts that I wrote about how to get your profile started, your business account, and how to get your rich pin enabled on your site. So you can go and click on those links after this video. Now let me know, are you using Pinterest for driving free traffic to your website? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Now, my fourth tip, and it's actually kind of a bonus tip, is to use Tellen Tribes. Now, I absolutely love Tellen Tribes. I use them almost every day. And what they are, they're a group of business owners that get together that agree to share each other content on Pinterest. So these tribes are hosted by Tellen. Tellen is a Pinterest app scheduler that I love and I use almost every day. And what happens in those Tellen tribes is that for every pin that you add to the tribe, you agree to share someone else's pin onto your own Pinterest profile. Now, what that means also is that the other tribe members are also agreeing to share other people's content, right? So for every pin that you add to the tribe, you need to share someone else's pin. And what happens when somebody else loves your content and decides to share your pin onto their own profile, your content is now being put in front of their audiences, in front of their followers. And so it absolutely helps you increase your reach, helps you get in front of new audiences. And when you get in front of new audiences, generally this means more website traffic, right? It increases your visibility. And imagine getting that one pin content in front of one tribe member audience and do that several times a day, just over and over again. You're constantly being put in front of new audiences on Pinterest. So it's a really good way to drastically increase your reach, grow your visibility, and grow your audience in a way that you wouldn't be able to do all by yourself on Pinterest or any other platform. Now, these tribes are actually totally legit. They're approved by Pinterest. Tailwind works very closely with Pinterest. And so this is all a very legit way of doing that. And it's really about leveraging the power of community over competition. Now, I have a full video dedicated only to Tellen Tribes. So if you want to learn more about it, just click on the card above this video after you've watched this one, and it will take you to a whole video just about Tellen Tribes. So now that you know how to get more free traffic to your website using the power of Pinterest, how do you take that information and actually implement it in your business in a way that's step-by-step system to get you to a winning marketing strategy without wasting any time? If you're ready to finally get noticed by your ideal customers using Pinterest, then the Pin to Profit Bootcamp, which is a product I created, will absolutely be helping you. It's a mighty system of workshops and templates that will drastically speed up the way to getting free targeted traffic using Pinterest, even if you've never used Pinterest before. It includes workshop about my content formula, my graphics formula, as well as the optimized profile formula, and a whole bunch of bonuses such as optimized templates for clicks, my formula for creating 5 pins in 5 minutes. It's absolutely really cool. My content repurposing guide and so much more. And there's a link below this video. So if you're ready to finally get noticed on Pinterest, this Pin to Profit Bootcamp, you're just going to absolutely love it. And the link is below this video. Now, if you're not ready yet to commit to Pinterest and you kind of want to see if it's a right fit for your business, then I've got you covered as well. There's a link below this video for the Pin to Profit Blueprint, and this one will give you the 3 must-haves for increasing your visibility using Pinterest. It's a free download, it's a free PDF guide, and you can download it. There's a link below this video. And make sure to check out these videos for more tips on how to rev up your Pinterest marketing. If you like this video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. All right, see you next time.